I'm plating up lamb with jasmine rice.
How are you doing?
With
Are you doing good?
yes, I'm doing fine, thank you. Lamb on the bone with jasmine rice,
Wait.
cooked with butter. And then just dribble a little bit of that sauce over there. Wow, that is beautiful. Jack, where are you? Dinner's ready. Huh? I can't hear you. Okay, in the wok, I've melted down 150 gram of butter. Just gonna add the 2 onions in. On low heat. And we need to sort of cook this down. This, I'm gonna add. Jack, eat your dinner, please. Are you eating it? Yes? Okay, I am 6'7", yeah. 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of garlic. Yes. I'll add a bit of salt. And also we'll add a bit of black pepper. And about 1 tablespoon of mild curry powder. Right, that is all we want. Now just gonna have to cook this down slowly. It'll take about 10 to 12 minutes for the onion to soften and all the aromas and herbs are cooked through. Once you've got your lamb on the bone, make sure you wash it well with a bit of salt. Okay, so it's been about 8 minutes in, 8-9 minutes in I think, and that onion is ready. Now gonna add the lamb. So while we're here, turn the heat up once you got the lamb in, and just turn it over. Now we wanna use a high heat and just keep turning this until it's all golden brown and caramelized before we put this into the pressure cooker. That's what I was about to say. And that will save us a lot of time then. Once it's all golden brown in the pressure cooker, only going to take half an hour and this will be nice and soft. So high heat, keep on turning it, don't let it burn at the bottom. Is it? Go and eat your chicken nuggets now, please. It's now around lunchtime, so this should be ready for his dinner time. Wow, that smells very buttery, very delicious. Right, so and I think that's ready. This stage, this, transfer it into here. Now, if you notice, I haven't add any water to this at all, and you don't need to. You want it as dry as possible, just enough sauce to coat it when we're done with it. Okay, before it goes in there, You can sprinkle a little bit more curry on top, another sort of tablespoon. So all in all, 2 tablespoons will do it. Lock it down. Make sure you turn this to this way here so that it blocks the air when it comes out, and just set it at pressure cook, normal 35 minutes. And that's it. We'll be back in 35 minutes. Rah! We'll see you then. There you go. What, are you going to do the intro, the talking one?
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, go on then.
Welcome to Cooking with Char.
Okay. Well, I'm in the middle of it, and I've finished cooking your dinner already.
Yeah, well,
And it's in here.
well, the chicken nuggets were a bit too salty.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Jack said the last time I cooked chicken nugget for him was a bit too salty. Now
Yeah.
let's hope this dinner is gonna be a lot better than chicken nugget, right? It's been in here for 30 minutes, and I think it is nice and soft. Yeah, and it's ready now. So I'm gonna put it back into the pan and get the consistency. Oh, this is nice. This is lovely. Whoa, whoa. What are you doing? Did you get a lot of treats today?
Yeah.
Okay.
In my pumpkin bag.
Wow, in your pumpkin bag. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is the light version we have for Jack. I'm cooking my favorite curry. It's curry. So this is all we're gonna add into it. Now, so you can, my Cambridge chicken, okay? Ready, go. No good? Don't like it? Okay then.